What's the meaning of ban? Ban. Ban.
Ban. Ban. The word ban is typically used to refer to an official prohibition or restriction on certain actions or activities. It can also refer to the act of excluding someone from a group or place. The purpose of a ban may be to prevent harm, protect public safety, or enforce moral codes. Bans can range from simple restrictions on behavior to outright prohibitions that carry legal penalties. They can also be temporary or permanent and applied to individuals or groups. Examples of things that have been banned in various contexts include smoking in public places, certain books or movies, and certain substances like drugs or weapons.